So we've dealt with your identity documents. We have dealt with your criminal dispositions. Okay. Let's look at your documents, such as you're going in for an interview and you are now taking your pictures. No one should be out of their mind to walk in with an album and you don't know who the person is in the picture. You don't know where the picture was taken. You cannot speak of the relationship of that person to you or your spouse. It absolutely does not make sense. I had this girl I knew once, right? She was Jamaican and she married this guy from the Dominican Republic. And me personally, I can't deal with nobody who, unless you speak English in that intimate setting. Yeah? Me not learning a new language, especially at this age. Anyway, so she married the guy and she decided, because you're going into a family, one of the roughest things I will tell you that can happen to you is when them a chat you, and because you don't know the language, because them a chat you and them a rinse you and them a rub you out and them a smile. But guess what? You have no idea what they are saying. Yeah, so once she married that guy, she made sure she was fluent in Spanish, because if they were ever going to speak about her, she wanted to make sure she knew what they were saying. And I would advise anyone who is crossing over culturally into a family where, especially island people, you know, our main language, except for Puerto Ricans and the people from the Dominican Republic, they speak Spanish. Think, what is it? Martinique speaks Dutch or French. If you're going into a household and you are an English speaker, I am going to encourage you, because obviously, if you are with your spouse, he knows some form of English. But you see, the family settings, try and ensure that you learn the language. Yeah, I have a girlfriend now. She is dating a guy from Haiti. And the mama decides, say, she not chat to her in her English because she forgot learn Creole. And rightly so. You're coming into our family, right? Because when you take up somebody, also take up the family. And that's why, ladies, when these men are dating you, they want to see your mother. Because they want to see which kind of crosses them are pick up in them life. But her soon-to-be mother-in-law has made it clear. You need to learn Creole. And I absolutely agree with the mother-in-law. It's you who you're coming to us. You are coming into this family. Go learn some Creole. Yeah, why not? Completely agree. And for those non-English speaking people who you're submitting your documents to immigration, it must be translated. Yeah. And I had to say to my clients, because if we use the WhatsApp, I'm like, I need this translated. And people are exhausted, but think about it. If you are an officer and you're going through the history of the documentation and you do not speak French, you do not speak Spanish, I don't know, for some words in French, and I didn't do French in school. I have no idea. For some words, I'm able to tell what they are, right? I had a client come to my office one time from Haiti, and he was just speaking Creole, and I don't speak Creole. I mean, the name is just French because My mother had loved the French language when she was going to teach field. But in reality, I don't speak one lick of French. I don't speak one lick of Creole. But your documents have to be translated. Yeah? All right. So let's look at the time. I know I'm late, so I am so not taking you past your 10 o'clock where you have things to do. All right.